Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a day to watch the 308. It's been a while. It was dusty more than anything else. I don't think I'll need much more than just water because it's been detailed recently. So I'm gonna do some time-lapse video of that, and then I'll show you around the car, and maybe I will start restoring the leather seats with the leather restorer that was recommended by my Ferrari technician. So just a short video to walk around the Ferrari 308. Hi guys, this is video just after washing the car. As I told you, I didn't need much more than just water. It was dusty, and I don't think the dirt is sticking to the car yet. It looks really well. I guess on the interior I did some vacuuming, and next I need to start restoring these leather seats. They are really hardened by the time. I mean, they're 35 years old. They look amazing for their age, but it's time for me to start applying this product. I don't know if I'll do it in this video. I might do a separate video on that so I can document it properly, but anyway, it looks great. Look at the engine bay. I put some plastic restorer on the black plastic parts. You can see how good the manifold looks now after restoration and powder coating. So car is looking great, honestly. I was gonna do some plastic restorer on the outside, but I decided not to yet. I did that when I bought the car, and I think I might wait a little bit longer until I do a second application. But you can see how great it looks, the engine bay. And then again, let me show you the leather situation here. There's a little bit of crack in there, and that won't be corrected with this product, but at least, you know, it will be softer, and it will probably regain its original shine. So I hope that happens. The paint looks amazing. You can see the restoration here that happened in the last service. So it looks really well, and like I said, all the plastic trim still looks good, so I don't think I'll touch it this time. So wait a little bit longer. Yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with the condition of the car. I had to put some air in the tires. Cold weather does that to you, and I might do a drive at some point later or before the weekend, and hopefully document that too. So yeah, that's the 308.